We are back from the National Day of Prayer, or Days of Prayer. It was a really great time. NHOP sponsored a School of Prayer on the Thursday. Friday, we had a solemn assembly with national leaders and prayer people at the Sir John A. building right on Parliament Hill. It was an exceptional time, very, very deep time of repentance. It was really good. We culminated and ended off the day with the Great Canadian Prayer Meeting, and which combined with March for Jesus. It was a great event. It was a really beautiful day. The weather was great. Everything was good. But there were other things that happened on that day, which is really, really important. Many people reached out to us and say, we can't come. It's far, it's long, it's expensive. We get that. But there were places like Victoria, British Columbia, that did a National Day of Prayer on the legislature. And there was Sundridge, Ontario, little tiny community near North Bay. They connected with a bunch of churches, a few churches, and they spent some time in prayer and praying for the nation's capital. And actually, we're hearing that they're going to meet on a regular basis to be praying. Groups of churches in cities praying for the nation. That's a good thing. I'm really excited about that. Even there was, on the very last minute, we heard from our friends from Victoria that the mayor of Qualicum Beach heard about this National Day of Prayer and called an emergency meeting so they could have the prayer the next day. They had the meeting on Friday, and the next day they did a National Day of Prayer at the City Hall in Qualicum Beach, British Columbia on Vancouver Island. Isn't that exciting? That is really good. So I want to encourage you. We're going to probably do this next year. It looks like it, but be involved in your cities. Get churches together to pray. Get churches together to pray anytime. You don't even have to wait for National Day of Prayer. If God's speaking to you and to put something together in your city, I say this, seize the day. Take the advantage. Go ahead and do it. Don't wait for a special day. Do it anyway. Build prayer in your city. Jesus said this, and in Isaiah 56 it said this, that my house will be a house of prayer for all nations. And God is building prayer across Canada. He is building prayer all over the place. And if he's whispering to you to do it, do it. Be obedient. I just want to encourage you. Have a great summer. Continue to press in even while you're resting. I'm Chris Byberg, the director of the National House of Prayer, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.